Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set daily time limits for apps and app categories you want to manage on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on screen time. Next, you want to go down and tap on time limits. Now make sure the app limits is switched on. Once you have turned on app limits, you can tap on add limit down here and then put in the screen time passcode. Next, in the list here, you can choose which categories you want to limit the time. So say for social, you can tap on the social button, and this by default will select all the apps within the social category. So you can see here there are a lot of social apps I have installed on my device. Now you can go down the list here, and instead of choosing the whole category, you can also select the individual app within this category. So say I want to select WhatsApp, Signal, TikTok, Viber, Messengers. So I want to limit these 5 apps only instead of limiting the whole category. So I can choose the individual app, or I can choose the whole category. Okay, so after that you tap on next, and then in here you can set the time limit, and say if you want to set for 2 hours each day, then you choose 2 hours, and then after that you can also choose customize days. So this will be 2 hours every day, or on the weekend you can set it to Sunday and Saturday, so you can allow more time. So maybe on the weekend you allow 4 hours of social usage, and then you can choose on Saturday as well. So for weekends we can set to 4 hours, and during the week it can only be 2 hours. And then after that you can go down and choose block at end of limit. So what happens at end of limit? Turn on to block the app when limit expires, and then tap on add, and then you will see a new limits will be added to the list right here. Now later on, if you want, you can also delete those app limits by simply swiping across like this, and then tap on delete, and then tap on delete from the pop-up. And that's it. So that's how you can simply add, or how you can set a daily time limit for individual app or app categories that you want to manage on the iPhone 13 series. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.